books stand side by side, two sides too long, that's the way. Find a rectangle every day. Oval shape a little long, like an egg so smooth and strong. A juicy mango, a watermelon fine. Oval shape is truly divine. Diamond, diamond, shiny and bright, a flying kite in colorful light, a sparkling gem with glittery glow. Look around, you will see me so. Shapes are everywhere, big and small. Look around, you will find them all. Learning shapes is so much fun.